Oh my gosh. It's raining with the sun out. And I can smell the rain. It's just a passing shower until the big rain later. Storms get here. Smells good. Fresh and peaceful. It's coming down. I love the rain. Some people don't, but I do. To me, it washes away all the ugliness and bad. That's just me. And the passing shower is still going. But anyway, y'all have a blessed day. And we've got really severe storms coming. I think they're in Charlotte right now, and I'm in Halifax, North Carolina. Up there near exit 169 off of I-95. I'm in Halifax County. So I'm more close to the Virginia border. But I'm not in Virginia because I don't like Virginia. But anyway, everybody have a blessed day. Stay safe. I can't talk. Stay safe, everyone. And anyway, y'all have a blessed day. Anybody else is enjoying the rain? Alright.